and this radio runs only on batteries. You can't plug it in. Hi, I'm the Radio Man. Hi, I'm Michael Lewis. I've been restoring antique radios for about 40 years and teaching others to do this for about 30. I first got started actually in junior high school. I began repairing people's TVs and radios, which then were tube-operated devices. And I continued doing that as tubes went to discrete solid state, which is like individual transistors and diodes. And then things became run by integrated circuits and were essentially throwaways for consumer electronics, and that didn't interest me. So about 1977, I started going back in time and ended up by 78 working exclusively on what is now antique electronics, vacuum tube electronics. What I start my students out on is called generically an All-American 5 radio. 5 because there are 5 tubes, and those tubes are connected to each other in a string like old Christmas tree lights across the AC line, so a power transformer isn't needed. My students can learn the principles of restoring radios on a simple set like this, and then expand that knowledge into more complex sets. This is a 1954 transoceanic, and it's easy to see that there are a number of different bands or ranges of frequency which the radio can pick up. Those are selected by these buttons once the chassis is back in the cabinet. So these are bands which were used by radio amateurs, and that's why there were so many different broadcasting stations in these frequency ranges, which necessitated having the spread band. Thanks for watching Oregon Community Access.